Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to order from two different places on Uber Eats. First of all, open the Uber Eats application in your mobile. Then you just need to start placing your order. So basically for this, you can select this poke here or anything you want to order, or you can tap on this search bar and here you can search for this McDonald's. Let's just see from this restaurant right here. Just click on to the restaurant and then you need to pick something. So I'm going to pick this burger here and tap on to that burger, and this is going to be my first restaurant where I am ordering from. So I'm just going to go burger only, then I'm going to scroll down and click on add to cart. Do I need cutlery? No. So you can select these things and then click on add to cart. So if I click on to view cart right now, you can see I have a cheeseburger from 1P by side mall. Now if I want to order from a different restaurant in the same order, I'm just going to exit out of my cart, then go back, and you can basically go to another restaurant. So let's just try this stairs at West Coast Village. So click on to that restaurant now, and let me just say I want these fries. Add these fries now, then click on add to cart. So now if I click on to my cart, you can see I have a order from this restaurant and this restaurant, which is two different restaurants. Then you just need to basically check out, and then you will be able to place these orders from your Uber Eats. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.